Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, and as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, in 30 minutes. And you're going to find down in the description timeline. Go choose the time frame you want depending on your trading style. I think everything is too clear. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram we're talking about a lot of things. If you are interested, you done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So let's start it. As you see here, the Bitcoin, what it gave us today here, it gave us here a pin bar. As you see it very clear here, look at it. Today, the market it finished, it gave us here a pin bar in that level here. That man, there is big power here in that level, and it doesn't want the Bitcoin to break it here. Yes or no? Another thing, what we got here down. You remember when Mia show you the cross here in the daily? And in the last video, what Mia show you it crossed down in the weekly. The 50 moving average crossed the 100 moving average in the weekly. But here in the daily, it's showing us we changing to our uptrend. People, they been with me for some time. We used to have here inside bar. It's getting broke here. Also we enter short. People they follow me, I just told them in my Telegram, because also we enter here short as swing traders. When we are down here before the last 4-hour candle finish it, I told them try to protect yourself. Why I told them that? I told them that because what is coming tomorrow. And the market is showing here there is no power to push down. And that level here is very stronger level. I show it to you. We got here the trend line which is like that. That's the first thing. And what we got else here, look at it. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone here. The day of FTX, it fell down from here. That's the last peak. You couldn't break it. Now you are in it again. Here. Even that one is a scenario, yes or no? And here what we got, let me show you my chart. What we got here, we got that one. As you see it, and remember it, people they've been with us, they remember those things. We got that trend line here. It's getting broke here. Now the market is go back to touch it again here, and it's showing there is a lot of power here. They don't want the Bitcoin to break again inside here. So what that meant? What it done the Bitcoin till now, it came here to the trend line here. Everything is halted till now. The only thing now, we need to wait if the Bitcoin is going to go higher and to break that last high which is here. It's need to break the 24k here, and here the two lines, that one here and that one here. That one every Friday as we came, we put in where is the pots and the calls. The calls, majority of them they are here at 24k. The pots are 20k here. Picture is too clear here. I think I explained everything. So what shall you do here in the daily? At this moment, nothing. You just need to wait in what is coming. And let me show you in the coming news of today what is coming. So let's go in there. Here we are. That's the coming news for today. As you see it, what we got? We got the core CPI and CPI of USA. And that one, all the investors, they are waiting what's going to happen. If we're going to come down to 6 or we're going to break it below. And no one thinking it's going to break below. Majority, they said 6.2. 6.1 dependent. So let's wait in tomorrow, and it's going to come at 1:30. That way me I tell people they are in my Telegram channel to try to protect yourself, because you don't know what's going to happen. If it came below then that 6.4, and if it fall down a lot, you're going to see the Bitcoin jumping in the sky. Bitcoin and stock market. So you need to focus about those things. Those days I don't post for you the stock market videos because I got a lot of work. I'm so sorry, but maybe the end of this month I'm going to go back for you to put for you every day one video stock market, one video Bitcoin, but now only for Bitcoin. I'm so sorry for that. And here our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. What it telling us? All your stocks, they close the day green, like the Bitcoin. Same thing here. All of them green. Another thing here, what we got is our friend, the VIX. It fell down a little bit, but it stay above 20. That means currency is still high. People, they still waiting was going to come at 1:30 GMT time today. So that's why I told those things. Plus here, the dollar index here. what it's telling us. Even that one, it fell down a little bit, but even that one tomorrow is going to make a big jump, either up or either down. So you need to be focused about those things. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. You need to remember that. Also here we enter short because we used to have here a mega fall like that. It's getting broke here. Also we enter short. Today when we being down here, it gives us the market that pin bar here. I told people they follow me, try to protect yourself because no one know what is going to happen. And the market try to give you here like a double bottom here. As you see, if it came down and breaking the last high here, maybe it's going to reverse. So tell now what should we do? Tell now us here we still below in the 200 moving average. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Now you came down here to that level here and you try to do here like a flag like that, as you see it, how I draw it me, and you waiting the break to happen down here. But at that level, me I think it will not move a lot. It's going to come maybe here to bring for us that take profit for us. As we said, we enter because people they been with me, they remember those things. As we said, we got here a mega fall like that. And we said the take profit of it, it needs to be down here at that zone here. That's what us we said. Now it came down here. It's showing us as if the market is slowing here and it's coming a major news today. That's why me I told you, guys, protect yourself because you are in profit. That's it. That trading. When you protect yourself, you move the stop loss down or you close something, depending on you, how many orders you enter, the lot size of your order, depending on a lot of things. I told you to protect yourself. And for us to enter long, what me I told you, we make it like that. We said we got here a downtrend. And in the last video, we said here, we got here even a wage like that. You see it or no? Even that one is possible. If that one came and break in here, that level here is going to go back up again to that level here. Yes or no? But think everything is too clear, guys. Now you have two things. You can make like that. You put in here like a small flag here in that zone here. And if it's breaking down, it's going to fall down more. Then you do it like that. It's going to bring for you the take profit in that zone here. And that one also we said it from here. Another scenario, that one here to give you here like a double bottom here and to come to break for you the neckline. You can enter long at that time, but the long it needs to be here. It needs to come to break for you here, that level here to enter long. You see me how I draw it. I came to that one and that one. And I'm connecting those dots together to make a trend line. Is it here a wedge? Look at it. You can down here and you do it like that. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. So let's go in there. Our indicator over here is getting a little bit tricky. Over here, our indicator, it gave us here like a divergence. You see it or not? That peak here and that peak here. Let me show it to you in the chart. Look with me here. Look at that zone here. That one and that one. What you got? If you came here to the chart, you came to that zone here. That last peak here, it's falling down and here it's going up. Yes or no? So if you do it like that, look with me here, like that and like that. You see it or no? You got a divergence. Should you enter long now? No, my friend. Like the last time we used to have here a divergence. Here it's breaking for us down here, we enter short. Now, for us to enter long, it needs to give us here a price action. The only price action we got there, now the double bottom, the downtrend us we're talking about here, all those ones, and it needs to break above the 200 moving average for you to enter long. Everything is too clear. So now here, what we got in our indicator here, that trend line here, that divergence trend line here, it needs that one to come to break it and to break here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry. It just came to touch it here. Then after that, it will falling down. Me, I'm still believing there is more correction than that. But the CPI of tomorrow, that one is going to change the market a little bit. So you need to be focused. Till now is only the bears who still controlling. There is no bulls in the market. That's what me have been telling you thousands of times. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying today. So let's go in there. That one here, as you see it, enter here to the oversold area. Level, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that. And even in the daily, you got here a trend line. Should you buy? Not yet. We need the third confirmation. What is it, the third confirmation? That trend line here. You see it or no? If it came here and breaking for us the 200 moving average here, we can enter long. If it doesn't, man, it's going to fall down more. People, they haven't entered short. Should you enter now short? No, at this moment, no. Need to be careful because you don't know what's going to happen today. After the CPI release, you don't know what's going to happen. So you need to be careful about those things. Me, I'm telling you. So now focus it with me here, what I'm going to do. Here like that and here. like that. You got here a wage like that. If the market came and breaking here long, you enter long. If the market came down here and breaking, you enter short down. That's it. That's how you need to trade. Us, we enter from here short till now. Us, we are in profit and we still waiting it to fall down. But me, I think it's going to fall down just till here. Till that last low here. That one. It's waiting in the coming days. They are going to tell us what's going to happen. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look at it. Look at that double bottom, how clear it is now. You need just to come like that to give you here a very clear double bottom here. Should you enter long now? Yes, my friend. It's breaking here the 200 moving average. I'm going to show you it's breaking something else here. By the way, in yesterday video, just the video before the that one, we be in here, in that zone here. I told you it's the right time for you to enter short. Look at till where it fall down till here. Although we make very nice profit from that one. And that one, because me being busy, I couldn't register a video. Used to have here a trend line here. It's getting broke here. Although you enter long now. Now here in that level where we are now, let me show you something very important. Because that one, it need to go back a lot to show it to you. You remember that trend line also we used to have here? That one here. So maybe that one is going to go till here to touch it again. Till that last low here. That one. That's a scenario. That's the first scenario. Another thing we used to have here, a trend line like that. It's getting broke now here. Look till where the market went. And now here, look at it. It tried to give you here a small head and shoulder. If you came and you zoom it like that, let's see it together. You see it now or no? Look at it. Over here, that's the first shoulder. Over here, that's the head. And over here, that's the second shoulder. The neckline, is it here? It's break? Yes, it's breaking. That's how you need to trade. Take profit for that one. Is it here at that last high, which is here, that one. Another thing, you got it here in 30 minutes. Look with me here and here. What you got? You got a megaphone. Even that one, if it came and breaking higher here, you can enter long. If it fall down and break a lower here, you can enter short. But that one is going to apply for 4 hours, not here in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, it's just for scalping. Here in 30 minutes, it's breaking here, that trend line here. Now it's showing it will go till that level here. Now you need to look in what's going to happen here. If the market gave you here a price action or something indicating the market is going to reverse. That's it. That's what you need to do. Let's see our indicator. What is it saying? Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area. Another thing, look with me here. You see that peak here with that one here. That two, they are not right. And I show you that one even in the 4 hours. You got a divergence here. Very clear divergence. What should you do now? You got here a head and shoulder. Just breaking for you the neckline. You can enter long now because it's breaking even the 200 moving average. I told you take profit for that one. It needs to be here. At last peak here. Like the last time I told you to enter short from here. Will have you enter, will have you make money. Now here in 30 minutes will going up till here. That's the view. Then when it touching here, you need to see what's going to happen. If it's going to continue upward, it's going to fall down, or it's going to go to touch that trend line as we got in the 4 hours. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to smash that like button, to write down a comment. Support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.